50 Timeless Home Hacks, Secrets from the Past. For centuries, humans have striven for efficiency in the home. Long before the advent of supermarkets overflowing with specialized cleaning products, our ancestors devised ingenious methods using readily available natural ingredients. These time-tested techniques, passed down through generations, still hold remarkable relevance in our modern world. Join us now as we journey back in time to uncover the secrets of these timeless home hacks. From banishing stubborn stains to eradicating unwanted odors, these simple yet effective solutions prove that age-old wisdom can be surprisingly practical. Prepare to be amazed by the versatility of everyday items found within your pantry and discover how these forgotten practices can simplify your daily chores and leave your home sparkling. Let's delve into the past and unearth the brilliance of these timeless home hacks. Often relegated to salad dressings, vinegar's true potential lies in its remarkable cleaning properties. Baking soda, a humble pantry staple, possesses a secret weapon, the ability to lift even the most stubborn carpet stains. The refreshing scent of lemon isn't just pleasing to our senses, it also holds the power to neutralize unpleasant odors. Before relegating that old tube of toothpaste to the bin, consider its surprising application in restoring your footwear. Coffee, a morning ritual for many, offers more than just a caffeine boost. Its grounds act as a natural odor neutralizer. Don't discard those used dryer sheets just yet. Their electrostatic properties make them surprisingly effective dust magnets. Rubber bands to the rescue. A simple rubber band, an object often overlooked, can be a lifesaver when grappling with a stubborn jar lid. Ice cubes for carpet dents. Those unsightly dents left by furniture on your carpet can be banished with a surprisingly simple solution: ice cubes. Aluminum foil grill grate cleaner. Aluminum foil, a kitchen staple, proves its versatility yet again as a surprisingly effective tool for cleaning grill grates. Chalk silver's best friend. The unassuming stick of chalk, often associated with classrooms, plays a surprising role in preserving the luster of silverware. Newspaper shoe dryer. Next time you're caught in a downpour with soggy shoes, remember the absorbent power of newspaper. Salt for cast iron care. Cast iron pans, prized for their durability and cooking properties, require a special cleaning approach. Over time, limescale buildup can plague our kettles, but fear not, for vinegar comes to the rescue once again. Olive oil, a kitchen staple for its culinary uses, holds a hidden talent, restoring the shine to stainless steel appliances. A slice of bread, a breakfast staple, can be surprisingly handy when dealing with the aftermath of a broken glass mishap. Rubber gloves, pet hair remover. Pet owners locked in an eternal battle with pet hair will be amazed by the effectiveness of this simple solution: rubber gloves. 17 Toothbrush Grout Cleaner. Don't discard that old toothbrush just yet. Its size and bristles make it an ideal tool for tackling grimy grout lines. 18 Rice Vase Cleaner. Cleaning narrow vases can be a challenge, but uncooked rice comes to the rescue, reaching those hard-to-access areas. 19 Mayonnaise Water Ring Remover. Mayonnaise, often relegated to sandwiches, possesses a surprising ability to banish those unsightly water rings from wood furniture. Dryer balls. Drying time reducer. Dryer balls, those curious additions to laundry routines, offer more than just a whimsical touch. They actually reduce drying time. Vinegar Showerhead Savior. Over time, our showerheads can become clogged with mineral deposits, reducing water pressure and efficiency. Baking soda mattress refresher. Freshening up your mattress is easier than you think with the help of a common household ingredient, baking soda. Lemon juice cutting board cleanser. Lemon juice, a versatile kitchen staple, proves its worth once again with its ability to remove stains and odors from cutting boards. Rubber bands door stoppers. A simple rubber band can be a lifesaver when you need to keep a door propped open, preventing accidental latching. Toothpaste Headlight Restorer. Before you shell out money for expensive headlight restoration kits, consider reaching for a tube of toothpaste. Vinegar blind cleaner. Cleaning blinds can be a tedious task, but a simple solution of vinegar and water makes it a breeze. Baking soda drain unclogger. A clogged drain is a homeowner's nightmare, but before reaching for harsh chemicals, consider the power of baking soda. Cleaning a splattered microwave doesn't have to be a chore. A simple trick with a lemon can make it a breeze. Coffee lovers rejoice. A simple solution of salt and ice can banish those stubborn coffee stains from your trusty pot. Achieving streak-free windows doesn't require expensive cleaning products. A vinegar-based solution does the trick beautifully. Baking soda oven cleaner. A paste of baking soda and water can work wonders in tackling baked-on grime in your oven, making it sparkle once again. Lemon rust stain remover. Rust stains can be a real nuisance, but fear not, for lemon juice combined with salt can come to the rescue. Vinegar Dishwasher Deodorizer. Keep your dishwasher fresh and odor-free by running an empty cycle with vinegar, eliminating lingering food odors. Baking soda sink cleanser. A paste of baking soda and water, a cleaning duo we've come to rely on, works wonders in scrubbing and cleaning sinks. Lemon Faucet Brightener. Restore the shine to your faucets by rubbing them with a lemon. The citric acid will banish hard water stains and leave them gleaming. Vinegar Coffee Maker Descaler. Extend the life of your coffee maker and ensure a flavorful cup of joe by regularly descaling it with vinegar. Baking soda toilet bowl cleaner. Baking soda, a versatile cleaning agent, proves its worth once again in the bathroom, effectively cleaning and deodorizing toilet bowls. Lemon Cutting Board Revitalizer. Keep your cutting boards fresh and odor-free by giving them a good rub with a lemon. The citric acid will neutralize odors and remove stains. Vinegar Floor Cleaner. Create a natural, effective floor cleaning solution by mixing vinegar and water. This eco-friendly option will leave your floors sparkling. Baking soda Grout Whitener. Restore the whiteness of your grout lines by applying a paste of baking soda and water. Scrub and rinse for a refreshed look. Lemon Easy Microwave Cleanup. Make cleaning your microwave a breeze by heating a bowl of water with lemon slices. The steam will loosen grime for easy wiping. Vinegar Streak-Free Mirrors. Say goodbye to streaks and achieve sparkling clean mirrors with a simple solution of vinegar and water. Baking Soda Carpet Refresher. Freshen up your carpets and neutralize odors by sprinkling baking soda, letting it sit, and then vacuuming it up. Lemon Garbage Disposal Deodorizer. Banish unpleasant odors from your garbage disposal by grinding up lemon peels. The citrusy scent will leave it smelling fresh. Vinegar Washing Machine Cleanser. Keep your washing machine clean and odor-free by running an empty cycle with vinegar. This will also help remove limescale buildup. Baking Soda Refrigerator Freshener. A paste of baking soda and water can be used to scrub away spills and stains inside your refrigerator, leaving it clean and odor-free. Lemon Sparkling Faucets. Rubbing a lemon on your faucets is a natural way to remove hard water stains and leave them sparkling clean. Vinegar Effortless Microwave Cleaning. A simple mix of vinegar and water, heated in the microwave, creates steam that loosens stuck-on food for effortless cleaning. Baking Soda Oven Cleaning Powerhouse. Baking soda mixed into a paste tackles even the toughest baked-on messes in your oven, making it look new again. Lemon Cutting Board Purifier. Lemon's natural acidity disinfects and deodorizes cutting boards, ensuring they're safe and fresh for your next culinary creation. There you have it, a treasure trove of 50 timeless home hacks passed down through generations. These simple yet effective solutions, utilizing everyday ingredients, demonstrate the enduring wisdom of our ancestors. From banishing stains to freshening up your home, these natural alternatives are not only effective but also gentle on the environment and your wallet. So why not give them a try? You might be surprised by the remarkable results. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for World Up, your go-to source for content that brings the world